First reading, 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 24 to 28. When she had weaned him, she took him up with her, as well as a 3-year-old bull, an ephah of flour and a skin of wine, and took him into the temple of Yahweh at Shiloh. The child was very young. They sacrificed the bull and led the child to Eli. She said, "If you please, my lord. As you live, my lord, I am the woman who stood beside you here, praying to Yahweh. This is the child for which I was praying, and Yahweh has granted me what I asked of him. Now I make him over to Yahweh for the whole of his life. He is made over to Yahweh." They then worshipped Yahweh there. Responsorial Psalm, 1 Samuel chapter 2 verse 1, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8. Hannah then prayed as follows: "My heart exults in Yahweh, in my God is my strength lifted up, my mouth derides my foes, for I rejoice in your deliverance. The bow of the mighty has been broken, but those who were tottering are now braced with strength. The full-fed are hiring themselves out for bread, but the hungry need labor no more. The barren woman bears sevenfold, but the mother of many is left desolate. Yahweh gives death and life, brings down to Sheol and draws up. Yahweh makes poor and rich, he humbles and also exalts. He raises the poor from the dust, he lifts the needy from the dunghill, to give them a place with princes, to assign them a seat of honor. For to Yahweh belong the pillars of the earth, on these he has poised the world." Gospel, Luke chapter 1 verse 46 to 56. And Mary said, "My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior, because he has looked upon the humiliation of his servant. Yes, from now onwards all generations will call me blessed, for the Almighty has done great things for me. Holy is his name, and his faithful love extends age after age to those who fear him. He has used the power of his arm, he has routed the arrogant of heart, he has pulled down princes from their thrones and raised high the lowly. He has filled the starving with good things, sent the rich away empty. He has come to the help of Israel his servant, mindful of his faithful love, according to the promise he made to our ancestors of his mercy, to Abraham and to his descendants forever." Mary stayed with her some 3 months and then went home.